Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and from today I'm going to start a new initiative called Chart Reading Masterclass. So in this masterclass series, every week I'll take one new chapter and I'll make around 10 to 12 minutes of videos about some important aspects of chart reading. Whatever some secret techniques which I learned being in the market for last 20 years, that is what I'm going to discuss in every new video. So remember, this video is not a basics of chart reading. So that means I'm not going to discuss here what is the basics of candlestick, what is the basics of chart reading and all this, because for that there are many videos available on YouTube on basics of chart reading. And also if you are very new, then I have a course called Anybody Can Trade in Stock Market. That course you can check it from my website, where I discussed from the basics of candlestick, basics of price action, everything. So that is why this is an advanced kind of masterclass where every week I'll take one new topic and I'll discuss that in detail. So as a first chapter of this video series, today I'm going to discuss how to know when price comes to the support, whether it is going to hold that support or it is going to break. Same time when price comes to resistance, whether it's going to reverse from the resistance or it is going to break. How you have to read the charts to understand whether you have to go long near the support or you have to wait for breakout. So that is why whatever I learned in last 20 years being in market, that I will be discussing in this masterclass series. Now without wasting much time, let's go to my laptop and let us see the presentation and also some examples about how to know when support resistance holds or it is going to break. Okay guys, let us start with the presentation. This chart what you are seeing, Nifty chart on 25th September, where is the resistance? You can see that this is one of the resistance, right? Now price came near the resistance. You can see that here back-to-back green candles showing the bullish price action near the resistance. Now what you will do? Will you go long? Will you take a call option or will you buy a put option? Will it go up or go down? Right? That is the confusion happens when price comes near the support or resistance. And that is what I'm going to discuss in this small video on how to know when support or resistance will break or hold. So let's start with the small presentation where I'll discuss some bullet points. Then again, I'll go back to the chart so that you will understand better. First, you should know that there are three types of moves happens near the support or resistance. So what are that three types of move? One kind of move called power candles move. That what is power candle move? That means series of big red candles near the support or series of big green candle near the resistance. Let me explain you the whiteboard so you'll understand better. So assume that price trading like this, then it came down, and now what is the resistance here? This is the resistance, right? Because that is where price reversed. So when I say power candle move, that means series of big green candles near the resistance. That means from here you will see this kind of big non-big green candles. This is called power candle move. Non-stop big green candles, this is called power candle. Same applies in the support also. For example, from here if you see series of red candle, non-stop big red candle like this, then this is called power candle. Okay, so that is what I mean to say power candle move near the support or resistance. That is the one of the movement you will see happening normally on the chart. Then what to do? Whether to wait for a breakout near the support or resistance or looking for a bounce, right? That is what confusion happens. Okay, now coming to this chart, where is the resistance? Resistance here, right? Where price started moving from? Price started moving from this non-stop, right? Why it is a non-stop? Look at the candles. How many candles? Almost 14-15 candles green candle and only one or two red candle, right? Out of this move, one or two red candles and remaining all are green candles. So this is called power candle move. So what is likely to happen when price comes here? Same concept which I told you, price likely to get tired, right? Price likely to get tired after moving non-stop. So what you will do when price comes near the resistance? Will you go long for a breakout or will you go for a reversal? So correct answer is better to go for a reversal trade after the power candle move, because price likely to get tired after the big. Okay, another example,
of power candle move, where is the support? When price is trading here, where is the support? Support is here, right? This candle low is the support because that is where it moves. So will you go short here because it broken a support? No. Look for a reversal when you see power candles move near the support. Okay. Better to go for reversal rather than breakout because most of the time such moves can be fake breakout. So such moves can lead to fake breakout. So that's why whenever price comes near the support or resistance, look at the price action and see whether it's a power candle move. If it is power candle move, then better to go for a reversal. Now we are coming to the second type of move, that is the crawling candles. We discussed first type of move. Now we are coming to the second type of move. What is crawling candle move? That means here we will see a series of small or tiny candles making lower highs near the support or lower lows near the resistance. So that means if there is a support here, when price coming here, when it is making a lower highs near the support. What is the lower highs? This is the lower highs, right? So if it is making a lower highs near the support, then it will be known as crawling candle move. Or if it is price coming near the resistance and it is making a lower highs when price coming near the support, that is crawling candle. So let us go to the chart and let us see what you have to do when there is a crawling candles move near the support or resistance. Okay, this is the 30th August chart, and one of the strong support you can see is the first candle low, right? So when I say crawling candle move, that means it is making a lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So if it is making a lower highs like this, then most of the time what is likely to happen? Most of the time you will see a real breakout when price comes near the support or resistance. If same time, if there was a big non-stop huge red candle, then will you go short if this level breaks? No, right? Because it is a power candle. Power candle move time, what I said, it is better to go for a reverse. But when you see this kind of crawling moves near the support making a lower highs, then chances of breakout becomes very high. Just like you can see that it has broken that support successfully and then it started going, right? So that is what I discussed about the crawling candle move. And most of the time what I said, crawling candle move comes near the support resistance, is likely be a breakout. Third type is trapping candles move. So what is the trapping candles moves? That is series of bullish pin bar near the resistance or bearish pin bar near the support. So for example, if price is coming here near the support, okay, there is a strong support here. You must have read it in the books and everywhere. If it is making a bullish pin bar, right? If it is making a series of bullish pin bar, it is a strength near the support. Chances of reversal becomes higher if you see this kind of candles near the support. And if you are seeing this kind of bearish candle near the resistance, so chances of reversal becomes higher because it shows weakness near the resistance, right? But sometimes what happens, sometimes near the resistance, you will see this kind of bullish pin bar near the resistance. Yes, near the support, if you see this kind of pin bar, then it is a strength near the support. But when it is happening near the resistance, then most of the time it gives you indication that price is getting squeezed and likely to have a big breakout on the upside, right? Just think for a moment, what you think after this kind of price action, you think that it is going to have a break, right? And you will take a long trade before the breakout, assuming that this bullish pin bars showing you it is going to go up. But many times what happens, instead of making a huge green candle, it makes a big red candles, and people who took a long trade here, they had their stop loss here. All the stop loss gets triggered by this big red, right? That is called trapping candles move. And the best example is this chart of 22nd September. Where is the resistance? Resistance here. There was a big bounce from here, and then price again started reversing. When price came near the resistance, just look at the price action, right? There is a pin bar here. 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 There is a so many pin bars, right? If you look at this price action till this candle, what gives you impression? That it gives you impression that finally it is going to break out and goes up, only to see that it reversing, hitting your stop loss. So that's why you should always wait for a confirmation candle. Maybe if it is a green candle breaking it, then maybe you can go long, or if it is making a bearish candle, then you can go short. So that is why when you see this kind of price action near the resistance with a bullish pin bars, never assume that it's going to break out, because most of the time it's a trap. So that is why in trading, they say that you should trade what you see, not what you think, right? Many times we think that it's going to break out, but it doesn't happen like that. You should trade only what you see. So now let's come to the recap section. So whatever we discussed, 4 candle move likely leads to reversal from the support or resistance, or can lead to fake breakout. And another common sense, you should know that why it reverses when there is a 4 candle move. Just imagine people who went long here, okay? Maybe near the support people went long, and when it makes a big green candle, what happens? They are in a big profit, right? They're in a huge profit because huge momentum. And when price comes near the resistance, do you think that they will just keep holding on to their profit? No, right? They will not hold on to their profit, because they also knows that it came near the resistance, chances of reversal higher. So if they don't book their profit, and if price comes down, then they are going to lose all their profit. So they will be in hurry to book their profit. Okay. So that is the one of the psychology also behind power candle move, why most of the time it reverses. Crawling candle move, likely a real breakout from the support or resistance. And next is trapping candles move, likely a trap to make traders believe there will be a breakout from the support or resistance, only to reverse. That is what 3 types of moves in the market when price comes near the support resistance you should be aware of. And finally, whatever I discussed all are probability and not a certainty. So that is what I wanted to make this video as a part of masterclass series. Mean when price comes to the near support or resistance, always see whether it is a power candle move, crawling candle move, or a trapping candle.
Okay guys, that's about today's first chapter on mastering chart reading. But remember, in trading, there is nothing like 100%. So whatever I discussed is a probability, not a certainty. So that's why always have a probability mindset when you take the trade, and never forget to keep your stop loss. So that's about today's first video on masterclass on chart reading. So let me know in the comment section what you want me to cover in the next chapter. If you want to learn more about price action, pivot points, CPR, and if you want to learn 25 day trading strategies, then you can check my webinar which I conduct normally on weekends. So you can go below this video and see when is my next webinar. If you are interested, you can enroll for it. Other than that, I have recently launched a new course, that is Mastering Expiry Date Trading. That course is exclusively for option sellers. So that's about today's first chapter on masterclass on the chart reading. I'll see you soon with the next chapter. Until then, bye and take care.